I'm going to quickly show you how to fix the GPU error in Fortnite. So let's start. With the first method, go to the Windows search bar and type in NVIDIA. The NVIDIA app should be appearing like this. If you don't find it for some reason, you just need to go to their official website, download it and set it up. After that, come back here, open it. Now after this appearing, make sure to log in with your correct information. After that, go to your drivers on the left menu and select on download or install button appearing right here. Now select custom or express installation and click on continue in order to update your graphics card driver. Now for the second method, go to the search and type in device manager. This will open, so look for display adapters, open this side arrow. Now look for your graphics card. Do not select the integrated one. Select either NVIDIA or AMD. Right click on it and select update driver. Now click on search automatically for drivers. After that, click close. For the next step, just go to this upside arrow appearing in the Windows taskbar. After that, you want to look for the Epic Games Launcher icon appearing. If you do find it, right click and select exit. Wait for a couple of moments. Now before you open the Epic Games Launcher, go to the Windows icon. After that, go to settings. Once done, go to the left menu and select Windows Update. And from here, you need to check that you have already installed the latest updates by clicking on the download and install all button appearing right here. If you do have failed updates, make sure to select retry all, wait for it to finish, close this. Now go to this Epic Games Launcher, right click on it and select run as an administrator. It will be open like this, so go to your library. After that, go to the search and type in Fortnite. It will appear like this, so you can see these three dots appearing next to the name. You need to select that. If you do have the game installed, you should see this manage option appearing, so click that. After that, this window will pop up, so click on verify button appearing right here, and that way any corrupted or missing file that is responsible for the error should be automatically restored and fixed safely. Hope this video is helpful. Consider like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.